Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. I feel like I've been waiting so long for this. I know has it been a long time? I feel like the last time I checked out the teaser, a lot. They've been putting out a lot of stuff to like promote this album and ceremony envy. I can't even speak. What's up, y'all? I just woke up from a nap. But you know who's gonna wake me up? Usually Stray Kids. Stray Kids is definitely one of the few people, at least in the K-pop world, that can wake my ass up. You know what I'm saying? Use one of their songs as an alarm. Have you ever used the Stray Kids song as an alarm? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, y'all. Be sure to check out the Patreon. I've been uploading a bunch of stuff, whether it be Twitch live streams, a bunch of variety shows. If you have some funny variety shows you want me to check out, I think those are so hilarious to check out on Patreon. So be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. And let's get into the Stray Kids ceremony. I couldn't say that. I had to break it down in my brain. Oh my god. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. That's definitely Felix, right? Ooh, he handling some balls. I love his hair. I'm so sorry. So much is happening. My bad. I should never pause. Hip hip hooray. It's a celebration, bitches.
We're moving forward, we maximum power, and we're gonna dominate popping.
I like the way you say P words. I'm not gonna lie. That's a crazy shot. It's just the power. Pop it, you know. Top it.
Nobody can stop me.
What the fuck?
Jump up, pop up to so lift. Working off time, that ratio got us going worldwide. Thursday day night.
Damn, that beat go crazy.
Listen that there's a pro we survive. Busy giving our light. Like they were getting all the spotlight.
I love his hair, by the way. Yo,
Listen to the war cry.
I want to do that.
Karma.
Bro, I thought you said something else. Karma.
Listen to the war cry. Karma.
What in the futuristic world? Oh, not him rizzing the camera. Hip 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 hooray! Ooh. Hip 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 hooray! Ooh, the way Han came in. Football versus football, literally. That's kind of actually fire. Can I write it back? Can I go back? What the fuck about rewind? That's what I meant. Boom. Oh, hey, tennis. Damn, there's so much happening in this music video.
Working off time, their ratio got us going worldwide.
Okay, what was that? A 720 dunk? Is that what you do like back then? Whether it be NBA Street or like NBA like 2K5, I don't know which one, but oh damn, it's rugby or football, like American football. And he's like the ceremony leader or something like that. Oh, baseball. Ooh. Oh, no, right now. Damn, he's strong.
Yeah, we gon' celebrate cause we got good come.
Damn, you didn't have to attack me like that.
Yeah, we gon' celebrate cause we got good
come. I thought he was gonna say we're gonna celebrate. We got that good credit. Ceremony. Okay, eye makeup. I see. Oh, that's kind of a flex. That's a hella flex. Ain't that Faker? How much you paid Faker to be in a? What the? I don't even play. That's crazy. I know who Faker is. What the hell? Did anybody mention that? No one's gonna mention it, is it? Nobody gonna say it? I haven't seen a comment yet about it. I'm not looking too far though. That's Faker, right? Please correct me in the comments. I might be tripping. Yeah, T1. Damn. Oh, he was playing as them. He was playing as them. That's like, oh, I get it. Wait, okay, from the beginning. Is Bangchan like the master, the MC, the master of ceremonies, basically? And everybody's playing in their own sport. Felix is like a businessman. Is he a CEO? The announcers, Changbin?
We're moving forward, we maximum power, and we're gonna dominate popping.
And like a wrestling ring.
Nobody can stop me.
Nobody, no one can stop me.
Jump up like a pop-up torso lift.
Jump up like a what?
I
thought you said Pop-Tart, my bad.
Nobody can stop me. Jump up like a pop-up
Toaster lip.
Working off time, that ratio got us going worldwide. Thursday day night,
Yup.
put us in the desert, but we survive.
And this is like a totally futuristic kind of like game, it seems like.
Busy giving our light, oh, like they were getting all the spot.
He look good.
Listen to the war cry.
Ooh.
Come.
And he just up there looking like a rich zaddy. My God. He's like in the band. Come. Oh, what is that? That's crazy. This shot right here, that's aura farming right there, bro. Hooray! Ooh, the way he came in is so smooth. Bond? Foosball. It's like he's playing as him or playing against him. Oh, you can twerk to this, that's for sure. Alright, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Stray Kids Ceremony MV. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to check out the Patreon, link in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.